Hello, I'm Maker Fishmeal. Welcome to my workshop. I just wanted to do a really quick video today to show you what it looks like to actually use a rotary tool, since I think it's something that's easier to learn by seeing than it is by reading. So before we start, of course, always wear your safety equipment. Foam dust is dangerous. Wear a mask, wear eye protection. Don't do this without that. So for this video, I am using a Dremel brand rotary tool, which is not necessary, but it's just what I have. It's a hand-me-down. I'm also using a flex shaft. That's what this tube is that connects to the actual bit. This is also not necessary. It just makes it easier because you're not going to be holding the motor in your hand while you're doing your sanding. I like to use a stone bit for more detail sanding. If I am taking material off, like I'm sharpening an edge or something, I'll use an actual sandpaper bit, which looks like this. So when you Dremel, you do want to experiment a little bit with your rotation speed. I usually do go about halfway on my machine, which is 15 to 20,000 RPM. But you'll have to find like what works for you, what works for the density of your foam. And then you want to hold your foam in one hand and your Dremel in the other, and then gently glide your rotating bit along the edge of your foam. So the important thing is that you want to be moving with the rotation of your bit. So because I'm holding the Dremel in my left hand, that means that I am pulling the bit toward me. But if you're right-handed, you want to be pushing the Dremel away from you. If you try to sand against the rotation of the bit, you will know. Let me show you what that looks like. You'll be fighting the bit along the way, and you'll end up with this really unsightly ragged edge, as opposed to the nice gentle bevel that we ended up with the first time. So that was an example of Dremeling 4mm foam. This is 2mm foam, and the process is exactly the same. Let me show you what it looks like. The one thing that I will say about Dremeling foam and Dremeling in general is that it does take some practice. I think it's something that doesn't come very natural to people, but it is so freaking useful in cosplay that I really encourage you to keep at it and keep working at it, and I really think it'll pay off for you. So that's it for today. I hope you've learned something. If there's something in particular that you'd like to see from me, please let me know, and I will make a little video about it. So hey, before you go, do the thing. Like me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, and have a wonderful day.